Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for February 20th, 2017. Happy President's Day to everyone. Hope everyone's having a great extended long weekend here. Let's take a look at the markets. Well, the futures markets were open today up until noon Eastern. Then they will reopen at 5 p.m. Eastern, and we did see an uptick. The Dow was up about 50 points, while the S&P 500 was up about 5, and the Nasdaq up about 15 points or so. You can see it continues to tick up here even after the close, setting fresh new highs across the board, and even the Russell gained about 3.5 points today. So, it looks like we're going to see a continuation of this move, and if we look closely here at these markets, it looks like we may be on the brink of another breakout. And I say that because we have been in or have had this inside bar formation pattern for the last couple of days here. From the 15th here, you can see that the activity over the next couple of days was completely within the high and low of that range. So an easy way to do this is mark the high and low and wait for a close or a breakout one way or the other. And today's action, I mean, most traders wouldn't even consider this a real candle today. Nothing else was open but the futures markets. So we're not going to worry too much about this, but certainly we traded higher than these highs and look like we're on the brink of another move higher. I mean, certainly no negative signs anywhere on these index charts. So a lot can happen between today and tomorrow morning when these markets open, but barring any major new surprises here, I think we'll continue to see an uptick in these markets. TLT did get a bit of a bounce on Friday, up 71 cents, while gold has been flat, losing about 20 cents or so here right now, and crude, well, we can call it flat as well, up a few cents. Not a major deal. Now, one thing to keep an eye on going forward would be the bank stocks. Recently taking a bit of a break here. Here's Citigroup. We can look at Bank of America. But one thing that looms here for the banks and other financials like Goldman Sachs, for example, is the whole Dodd-Frank regulation, and whether or not the Trump administration is going to roll that back and to what extent. I think we can see a real boost in the bank stocks and other financials if he does in fact roll that back, which it sounds like he will. So I don't think these are done just yet. I think we've got another nice move coming for these. Here's JP Morgan. So a bit more of a pullback here would certainly be welcome, back to support levels. You can see there is momentum behind these moves, and I think we will continue to go higher from here. So we'll keep a close eye on that, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.